Hey guys, today we're gonna make a 1-minute microwave brownie using Milo powder. We're gonna start off with butter. We're gonna melt it first. All right, next we're gonna add the Milo, chocolate powder, and we're gonna add flour, a little bit of baking soda, some sugar, pinch of salt, mix it. Add some milk. In here, and we're gonna transfer it to the little mug. All right, so there goes our brownie. Now let's go taste it. Okay guys, so me and my son here is gonna taste our 1-minute brownie. And we're gonna add some ice cream. Ready to eat?
Yeah.
Ice cream's hard. 2 scoops. Okay. All right, dig in. It's hot, okay? It's hot, it's hot.
Oh my god.
Should mix it with the ice cream. Is it good?
And it's like, she was like coconut.
Coconut?
It tastes like a little bit of coconut.
No. It's a brownie.
Wait, I haven't tasted brownie before.
Yeah, you have.
Really?
You forgot how brownie tastes like?
Oh my god.
This is the first time we've made it. It's actually pretty good. Yeah?
Yeah, very good.
All right. Success?
Yeah, success. Oh my gosh.
You really like it, huh?
Yeah, but hot, hot.
Alright.
Hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
It's good when it's hot. Alright guys. Hopefully you make yours and it tastes good. And if you like this video, please, what do you say?
Subscribe?
Look at the camera.
What?
Please.
Subscribe.
And like and share this video, guys. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.